Hi everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to use a teleprompter on CapCut PC. First, start by planning your script. Before opening CapCut, decide what you want to say and how long your video will be. This is important because longer content, such as video over a few minutes, is usually recorded in one continuous take, while shorter videos can be recorded in multiple clips and combined later. Try to keep your script clear, direct, and to the point so it's easy to read while recording. Now, open CapCut on your PC and create a new project. From the main dashboard, select the camera or recording option. Once the camera preview opens, look for the teleprompter option in the recording tools. On CapCut PC, the teleprompter appears as a dedicated panel that overlays your script on the recording screen. Next, add your script to the teleprompter. Click on the text or edit icon inside the teleprompter panel, then type your script directly or paste it from another document. Make sure your text fits comfortably on the screen and is easy to read while recording. After adding your script, adjust the teleprompter settings. You can control the scrolling speed so the text moves at the pace that matches your speaking need. You can also change the font size, text color, and background transparency to make the script clearer and easier to read. Take a moment to read the script out loud and fine-tune these settings until it feels natural. Once your settings are ready, reposition the teleprompter window if needed. You can drag it around the screen and place it closer to the camera area. This helps keep your eyes level and makes it look like you're speaking directly to the audience instead of reading. Now you're ready to record. Click the record button and CapCut will start a short countdown. As the recording begins, the teleprompter will automatically scroll through your script while highlighting the text. If you pause the recording, the teleprompter will pause as well, allowing you to continue smoothly when you're ready. After finishing the recording, review your footage, make any edits you need, and continue with the rest of your CapCut editing workflow. Using teleprompter on CapCut PC helps you deliver your lines confidently, smoothly, and without memorizing long scripts. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.